Welcome back to the channel Gadgets for Gentlemen. A very short video where I will be wearing the Tissot on my 6.3 inches wrist. I saw this watch at a jeweler, 40mm Swiss automatic watch with sapphire crystal, anti-reflective coating, 100 meters water resist, 316L stainless steel, very thin, 40mm diameter. It has the Powermatic Swiss automatic movement with 80 hours of power reserve, and this is what it looks like on my wrist. I think highlight of this watch is the dial. I really like that structure, the blue, a very dressy piece, and at the same time it's very rugged, water resist, so on and so forth. Thank you for watching.